I'm not really hungry, but I need to eat something because my tummy's gone flat. Don't know what to do now. I could keep riding, and then if I see a service station or something, I could just park up and sit for a while, maybe get a bit of rest, and then carry on all night. I can't see me finding a campsite now and putting up tent and everything, only to leave early in the morning. So yeah, I think that's the plan. Good. Initially I was so nervous, lots of anxiety. I feel confident now, like, sod it, what's the worst gonna happen? I'm gonna end up sleeping out somewhere. It's not raining, even if it rains, there's plenty of shelter, I think. So yeah, I've got lots of water, got lots of food. Couldn't find no campsites, looked everywhere, 3-4 different towns and villages, and then in the end just got fed up, need to rest, got tired, so just parked up on the side of the service station. Oh, it's been a long day, and finally get some rest and do it all again tomorrow. Covered a lot of ground today, almost near Dresden. Yeah, let's see what the night's like, get some rest, and look at this beautiful view. Tour of the tent. Got my jacket, boots outside, helmet, wet wipes, pillow, which is my trousers, and that's about it. Couldn't be bothered to get the self-inflating mat out. Only got to roll the damn thing afterwards. The night was pretty on off, kept waking up every hour, and yeah, just hoping for the sun to come out, get the night over with. The tent's all wet, the bike's all wet, as you can see. So I was shaking the tent off, and then there's not enough light here because the sun's over there. So I thought I'd bring it over here, but there's brambles over here, and I've just got the tent caught in there. Luckily there's not too much damage, just a little rip on the inner door. This in the rain would be absolute chaos. So yeah, let's hope that it doesn't rain. Meantime, I went over there and had some porridge. Which idiot's idea was it to ride to Poland? It's not easy. I didn't think it was going to be this difficult. When I looked on the map, it just looks like, yeah, I'll wake up this time and I'll do this and I'll do that and I'll ride these many miles. Lady in there, refilled my water, whereas the other previous place they didn't do it. yeah, decided I'm not gonna look for anywhere to sleep tonight. I'm just gonna keep riding until I get to Auschwitz, and yeah, then see how I can pass the night. It's better actually to pass the night riding than to look for campsites, pitch the bloody tent, and then freeze. So yeah, we won't be doing none of that. So finally we have some good luck. Just as I entered Poland, everything became beautiful, wonderful, nice people, and I just had a nice meal, and even had people help me out in Burger King, help me give my order because they didn't have veggie burger on the menu. But yeah, don't know where I'm gonna sleep, but who cares? I just had fries, burger, and a drink. So yeah, made my day. I just carry on riding until I get to Auschwitz. Disaster strikes. My chain has become so loose that I can't ride anymore. It's clicking and it's worn out.
Oh my god, qué problem.
So, guys over there help me tighten the chain. That man over there. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. So it's about to get dark now. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay here. I think this McDonald's closes at 3 o'clock, so there's some places over there, sheltered, maybe, that I can sleep in. So yeah, just put my jacket on and sleep or rest, and then see if I can get this bike to Katowice, just using wet wipes to wipe my feet and clean. Yeah, so I suppose these will be funny memories, but right now it's a bit of an issue, but I'm cool about it, to be honest. Good morning. It's about 5, I don't know, something like that. That's where I slept last night. gonna go and brush my teeth and start heading off. Yeah, it was extremely cold last night, but not as cold as sleeping in the tent. Again, everything